Hey folks, in this video we're going to take a quick look at formulas in Excel. So I've already populated some data in these cells, and so I have the world record for the tallest sunflower, swing, tallest dandelions, tallest snowman, tallest person, and tallest dominoes. If I want to find out the average of all these tallest things, what I can do is go up to this goofy looking E, and that's where all the formulas are. The most common ones, if I hit this little drop down arrow next to the E, is sum, average, just counting all the numbers up, finding the maximum or finding the minimum. You can go to more functions down here. For our purposes, I just want to know the average. So I click on average, and it tells me the average is going to be whatever falls in this highlighted box. So that would be between B2, so B2, and B7. Now if I wanted this to be, say, all the way down to B6, I could change that up here, I could change that down here, or I can grab this and move this to a different spot. I'll show you that in just a minute, but for now this is what I want. The computer has guessed correctly. I just hit return and it gives me the average, 66.8. I also want to show you something else. Let's say that I mistyped the highest swing and it wasn't 288 feet, it was just 28 feet. I could erase that, and when I click on another cell or hit the return button, watch this average. It automatically changes because it's going to reflect the correct answer based on the data that is in the field that I defined. So we should have that correct. Anytime you change any of this information, your answers will change for your calculations. In the next box, I'm going to do a similar thing, but this time I'm just going to come up with the sum, and it's just going to add all of these numbers together. I don't want to add the average that I just came up with. There's a couple of ways to do that. One, I can make it so I see my mouse changes to this box with two arrows in the opposite corners, and I can drag that up. I could also go up here, click, use my arrow keys if I'm in the wrong spot, or re-click with my mouse, and I can change that so it's a 7, not an 8, and now it goes from B2 to B7. Now I'm not including this information. I can press the return button, and I have the sum of all of the numbers that I wanted to add together. Once again, if I change this number to 28 instead of 288, all of my sum and my average both will change. Good luck. Enjoy.